Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify affiliate app setup for promoting partner stores. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Shopify affiliate app, first, log into your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. In the Apps section, click on the Visit the Shopify App Store button. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to type in affiliate app. Review the search results to find a suitable affiliate app for your needs. Click on the app that interests you to view its details and features. Take a moment to read through the app description, reviews, and pricing. When you're ready, click on the Add App button. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard for permissions. Review the permissions requested by the app and click Install App. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken to the app setup page. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup. You may need to configure settings like commission rates and payment methods. Add your partner stores that you wish to promote within the app. Make sure to generate unique affiliate links for your partners. Share these links with your audience through your marketing channels. Monitor your affiliate performance through the app's analytics dashboard. Adjust your strategies as needed based on the insights provided. That's it, you're all set to start promoting partner stores effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.